Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ghost Jawbone skin in Call of Duty Mobile. This iconic character skin, known for its distinctive skull mask and tactical appearance, quickly became a fan favorite. It was initially released as a special reward within a past battle pass, making its acquisition a time-sensitive opportunity for players who participated during that specific season. The definitive and only way to acquire the Ghost Jawbone skin was through a particular battle pass. Players had to purchase the premium version of this battle pass and then advance through its tiers. This highly desired character skin was typically unlocked at an early tier, often Tier 1, upon purchasing the battle pass, granting immediate access to this popular operator. Unfortunately, battle pass exclusive items, including the Ghost Jawbone skin, are typically available only for the duration of their respective seasons. Once that season concludes, these items are usually removed from the in-game store and are not directly purchasable. This makes obtaining the Ghost Jawbone skin extremely challenging for new players or those who missed its initial release. While direct re-release of the exact Ghost Jawbone skin is rare, some Battle Pass items have occasionally returned through for U-sections or Battle Pass vault bundles. However, this is not guaranteed and happens infrequently. Players might also find other impressive ghost skins through lucky draws, crates, or special events. Keep an eye on in-game announcements for any potential future opportunities or alternative ghost appearances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.